In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage stock and inventory in Xero Tips. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust stock quantities in Xero the right way, so your inventory stays accurate after a stock take, a correction, or when goods arrive without a bill. First, head to the sales area in Xero. This is where your customer activity and item records live. From there, open products and services. You'll see a list of all your items, including whether they're tracked in their current quantity on hand. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly find the item you want to fix. Select the product you want to adjust. This opens the item's detail page where you can review its current quantity, average cost, and recent activity. When you're ready, choose New Adjustment. This is the safest way to correct its inventory without editing historical transactions. You'll be asked for an adjustment type. Xero lets you either decrease or increase quantity. Use decrease for things like shrinkage, damage, or write-offs. In our example, we'll choose increase quantity to reflect stock you've counted or received. Enter how much you want to increase the quantity by. This is just the number of additional units you're adding to what Xero currently shows. If your item uses partial units, you can enter decimals. Otherwise, whole numbers are fine. Take a moment to cross-check this with your physical count or receiving records. Next, select the adjustment account. This tells Xero which ledger account to use for the value side of the adjustment. Many businesses post increases from a stock take or unbilled receipts to an inventory adjustments or cost of goods sold related account. If you're unsure which account to pick, check your chart of accounts naming or ask your accountant for the correct choice so your financials stay tidy. Add a clear reference. Keep it specific, like stock take correction may or shipment received, no bill yet. Good references make audits, reports, and future troubleshooting much easier. Click Next to review your entry. This is your chance to confirm the item, the direction of the change, the quantity, the account, and the note. If everything looks good, click Post Adjustment. Xero will update the item's quantity on hand and adjust its value using average cost, so your inventory and accounts stay in sync. That's it. Repeat the same flow for any other items you need to correct, and if you need to reduce stock instead, choose decrease quantity at the type step and follow the same fields. Keep your references consistent, and you'll have a clean audit trail every time.